Welcome to Specialist Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Great value for money Nissan Juke 1.5 DCI N-Tec, finished in pearl black metallic. What a beautiful car it is. 1.5 DCI. It's the 110 brake horsepower, 70 plus to the gallon, claimed by Nissan. In fabulous condition. It really is a beautiful car all the way around. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated in gloss black. Just looks stunning with those on. Registered on 31st of January 2014 on a 63 plate. Great spec on these, beautiful all the way around. Got a reverse camera. Let's take you all the way around. Blue Tech, £20 road tax. Cheap motor in that. The loading area all nice and clean, no damage there, no marks at all. Good sized boot, split folding rear seats, rear shelf there for us as well. No spare wheel, but look at that additional storage there. Tons of storage there. Reverse camera just under there. Just gleaming away, all the bodywork, beautiful all the way around. All the wheels, as we just said, we've had them professionally sandblasted, powder coated, so of course there's no damage. They're like brand new. Really does set the car off nicely. Good tyres on it, plenty of tread on those. Again, all the front end nice and clean. It's got rear privacy glass. All the upholstery nice and clean, no damage, no marks. Split folding rear seats. Plenty of luggage space and passenger space in the back as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Got satellite navigation, stereo CD, Bluetooth connection, reverse camera, CD player, all controlled from there, aux input, USB input, climate control, six-speed manual gearbox. Mileage of just 31,791. 31,791, that's all it's done. Got leather multifunction steering wheel with various stereo controls on there. Phone, cruise control. Great spec, great value for money. As I mentioned, £20 road tax. Claimed 70 plus to the gallon. Nice low mileage example. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. We've just carried out a full service. I'm putting new brake pads at the front, so it's ready to go today. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. You can reserve this car 24/7 with click and reserve off our website. Any further information, we're just at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars at Stoke on Trent, multi-award winning dealer, making buying and selling cars a simple process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.